Fix OneDrive error 0x8004de44 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Restart your PC. Restarting your computer may help if you experience issues while attempting to sign into OneDrive. Restarting the computer will assist in fixing any network and app bugs. Solution 2. Update OneDrive. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Press OK to proceed. Double-click on OneDrive setup.exe to install the latest version of OneDrive. Solution 3. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Solution 4. Reset OneDrive. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Solution 5. Check Group Policy Editor.